Welcome to the lecture series of Advanced Manufacturing Technology. I am Dr. Gautam Pal, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering of University of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. Here today I am going to discuss about the manufacturing system and automation. And I have already discussed what is the reason why we do not use the conventional machining system and we need the advanced manufacturing system due to the advancement of material science, due to the advancement of product shape, due to the complexity of product, and also this advanced manufacturing technology are used uh, in spite of conventional machining system, because conventional machining system is a contact type process where tool hardness is important and it should be greater than the job hardness, but today job are prepared with hardness greater than any tool material available in the market. So we have to go for some non-conventional machining system. Now today I am before I going to the exact advanced manufacturing technology, I have to discuss about the some learning objective of manufacturing system and automation, that is to study the different manufacturing system, to know automation with its degree and application, to know merits and demerits of automation, and to understand semi-automatic and automatic machine tools. So to study different manufacturing system like job shop, flow shop, continuous automation and flexible automation are there, and to know the automation and its degree of an application. So automation can be started from a single standalone CNC to a automated factory, fully automated factory and fully automated society. So to know, with the advancement of the computer application, this automation are becoming inevitable in every manufacturing field. And the merits and demerits of automation, most of these automation are has its merits because uh, it can produce the product accurately with precisely accurately and precisely. It reduces the human error, it reduces the lead time, and also it increases the productivity. But at the same time, the higher cost of implementation of automation, and at the same time the unemployment is one of the big issue for a populated country, and also the skilled labor is of scarcity, and at the same time maintenance cost is also high. And to understand the semi-automatic and automatic machines tools, we have to understand the semi-automatic means there are some little intervention of the human being, and for automatic machine there is no intervention of human being is needed. In the next chapter I will discuss our different manufacturing system. Thank you.